So Chuck, let's go against the wall first.
There's a difference between a volunteer and a conscript.
It is, and you're both. You're both. Heels against the wall.
Feet against the wall like that?
Yep. Okay. Now bring your feet out to where you're comfortably doing the squat. A little bit more. A little bit more.
Right there's pictures of this.
Yep. Taking a lot of pictures of this. Bring your feet apart a little bit. Bring your feet apart more, shoulder width apart. More for balance. When we come off the wall, so I'm trying to get Chuck to see what he's doing now. Is if wherever he is now, at the same position when he comes off the wall. Okay. So head against the wall too, right? Good. Perfect. Now slide your body down. Right there. Hold. Is that comfortable?
I can hold it, but then you get a little tired.
Yeah. Bring your low body up. Let's go down again. Good. A little bit lower.
More?
A little more. Yeah. Right there. Hold right there. I still like how his knees are below his toes here, and he's shaking just a little bit.
Should this be straight up and down here?
Should be. No, it should be. You're good. You're good. Okay. Right there. That's fine. Okay. Now come all the way up again. Good. Okay. Now let's do this. Is come off the wall. Turn around. Turn around.
Oh.
Here. And use your hands here. Good. And same thing we have you to remember. We just kick our knees forward. Keep our body straight the whole time. And touch the wall a little bit so you have that bounce. Scoot forward more. Scoot forward more. Scoot forward. Right there is good. Yeah. There we go. Okay, so you lean back just a little bit. Get your back muscles to work more. The more you lean back, the more the back muscles work.
Okay.
Come on down. Good.
I feel it in the back of the legs.
And the hamstrings are tight.
Oh.
There. And then come down. Watch my legs too.
It starts to really hurt down here.
Let's do this. With your feet, you can bring your feet up a little if you want to. That'll help that hamstring and the calf muscle relax a little more too. There we go.
Oh, yeah, that's much better.
And here, come down, hold, then come up. Then come up. Because I want the back muscles to work. I don't want you to bounce check. That's easy. Makes it look good on camera. Good. Relax, then come back up.
I thought you were going to hold me.
I'm good over here. Now, last one here, Chuck. Turn around. I'll demonstrate again too. Feet shoulder width apart, hands in front. Lean back where you're comfortable. Not that much. Maybe right about there. Okay. Now what I'm gonna have you do is again bring your knees forward, hold, then come back. Come on down again. Bring the calf muscles up. Bring your heels up. There you go. Come up.
That's a little deep there.
Yeah. And when you come forward, you can bring. Watch mine too. Make sure you bring your ankle, your heels up a little bit so you get a little bit deeper.
See how this feet far enough apart?
You get a little bit wider if you want. He has good balance, so you see.
Oh, I see.
Just be in the circus.
Almost
Just
fell
get
over.
down. Right there, hold, and then come up.
Okay.
Where do you feel that?
I feel it back here.
Yeah. So as you lean back more and more, as you get more comfortable, then you'll feel that back kick.
Okay.
Yeah, it takes time. That allows that whole body to get that balance point. Your legs a little bit stronger, so when you go to come forward, when you have that balance ready, so when you do this, you lean back further and further, get the back muscles to work. If you're at the gym, you can add some light weights here, or even a lighter weight in front. The counterbalance can lean back even more. All right, make that face. Want to make the face too? Yeah.
Having trouble with
Got that on
balance.
camera.
It is. It just takes time. It just takes time. Like the other ones I showed you right before, the lunges. Same thing. Just takes time.
Okay.
Thank you,
good.
Chuck.
Good.